Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today we would be looking at how to connect our Java application to a database. For that matter, today I'm using SQLite database, which is a lightweight database which is nowadays used in mobile applications for serving the same purpose of a database. The reason I have chosen this database is that this database is very small in size and very light, so it won't need much of time to download it and install it, etc. So we would be using it to save our time. So first step we need to perform in order to get our work done is to visit this site, which is for the SQLite download. You have to download the SQLite shell. This page provides you with all the types of versions that it has. You can select an appropriate version for your computer. You can, if you are having a Windows operating system, then you can download this version, and if you have Mac, then you can download this. Okay. And the second thing you need to download is the SQLite JDBC file. For that matter, you need to visit this site. Okay, and you have to download this jar file. Okay, this is a pure Java jar file, pure Java connection. uh, okay, so you need to download this, and the second step is to connect your database with your Java application. So for that matter, you need to go to your command prompt. So let's go to the command prompt. Now you have to provide the location of your SQLite shell. In my case, it's on my desktop, so I would have to copy the location. So I would say this, and the second thing I need to Control C, and now in the command prompt I have to write cd, and I have to paste the path. Okay, now as you can see, the path of my command prompt has been changed. Okay, now I have to write SQLite 3.exe, since this is the SQLite 3 version, and I have to write specify the position where I want to create my database. So I would say test.db. Okay, my database is now created. Now into this database I would have to create uh, my tables for which I would be needing. Okay, so you can create your tables here. For example, create table, let's say user, and you would say ID, which would be auto increment, and let's say it would be a number, which would be 2 digits long, and the username would be a varchar of length 20, and password, which would be a varchar again of length, let's say 20. Okay, so my data table user is created. Now I can insert the values into my database. If I wish, I can insert the values from my command prompt, as well as if I from my Java application. That would depend entirely on my programming, how I program my Java application. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to create a Java application. So I would go to my NetBeans IDE, and I would create a new project, and I would name it as, let's say, sample. Okay, now I'll say finish. Okay, now once my project is created, I would have to link my database with my application. So I need to add the database resource to my project resources. So I click on the libraries and I right click on it. Right click on it and I say add a jar or folder. Now I provide the path of my jar file. So in my case it was on my desktop, so I would provide this path and I'll say open. Now as you can see that the jar file is added to my project resources. Okay, so this is how you connect your Java application to your database. Now we will see how to create a sample login and a registration form with the database connection. We'll see how we can map it in the upcoming tutorials. So thanks a lot for now.